Tina, how is our digital transformation with cloud-native applications going?
Making progress. We are focused on non-critical business cloud-native applications.
Why are we not looking at new business-critical enterprise applications in Kubernetes?
We are struggling to find business continuity and backup solutions on the new Kubernetes platforms.
Have we explored new companies like Kubesafe?
Let me check the new company and see if they can provide the solution.
Tina started researching about Kubesafe.
Looks like Kubesafe can solve my backup, recovery and business continuity solution. I can also use the clone capability to do test and dev and run analytics without impacting production. It works on the premise and in the public cloud, helping us implement it everywhere. Let me install it.
And deployed Kubesafe.
Tina, have we made any progress?
Yes, sir. We have deployed Kubesafe and it does provide backup and disaster recovery for container platforms.
Great. When can we move business-critical applications to the new platform?
Yes, we can now meet needed business continuity requirements.
We are here to help. Please reach out to support@kubesafe.com or chat with us on our website for any question or help.